How to feed a lawn. Everyone would love to have a lush, green lawn. However, it can be trickier than it seems. Many environmental factors can negatively affect the appearance of your lawn. One way to get a healthy-looking yard is through proper fertilization. The following article will discuss how to feed your lawn. Things you will need. Soil test kit. Spring fertilizer. Fall fertilizer. Lawn sand. Wheeled trolley. Water. How to feed a lawn. Have your soil tested. This will tell you what nutrients that your lawn needs. Many garden centers can assist with soil testing. In the warmer months, use a spring/summer fertilizer. These are high in nitrogen and low in phosphates. Apply this type of feed in the spring when the grass begins to grow. At the end of summer, use a fall fertilizer. These are high in phosphates and low in nitrogen. Apply this feed when the growing season is coming to a close. Apply lawn sand to your yard. This is ammonium and iron sulfate mixed with a fine sand. It will kill weeds and will prevent moss from growing. It will also make your grass appear to be greener. Apply lawn sand in the late spring. Use a wheeled trolley to apply your fertilizer. A trolley is relatively inexpensive and it will ensure that chemicals are applied evenly to your lawn. Tips warnings. Be sure to address problems as early as possible. If you have to replant your lawn, it can take 2 or 3 years for it to recover. Use a fertilizer made to kill grubs early in the season. If you accidentally over-fertilize your lawn, be sure to water it very well for the next day or 2. Try to apply fertilizer when the weather forecast calls for rain within a day or 2. If it does not rain, water your lawn well. Do not over-fertilize. This can stimulate too much growth without the proper root structure for support. Over-fertilization can also burn leaves and grass. Japanese beetles and grubs can destroy grass. They will eat the roots of growing grass shoots. This can damage your lawn for the entire year. Do not feed a new lawn. Wait for a year before feeding a seeded lawn and 6 months before feeding a sod lawn.